Are you ready for a range hood that inspires you to cook with confidence? Meet the UC-PS18 from Hauslane. Its one-of-a-kind versatile venting system provides adapter options that fit most duct sizes, saving you time and money it'd otherwise take to complete expensive ductwork. This sleek, easy-to-use under-cabinet range hood was designed to extract odors, fumes, and chemicals from your home kitchen like never before. With 6 different fan speeds, you can operate at an ultra-low, quiet speed setting, allowing you to continue enjoying the ambience and company around you. Our range hood comes with a warm, energy-saving LED light that's easily changeable. To coordinate your range hood's light with your existing kitchen lighting, simply replace the bulb with an LED light of your choice for a seamless aesthetic experience. Its thoughtfully designed, easy-to-clean Baffle filters catch grease drips effectively, stopping unwanted, old grease from dripping back onto your stove and food. When you're done cooking, use the delay shutoff function to let your range hood do the work for you, while you sit back and enjoy a relaxing dinner with your family. Click the link to shop the UC-PS18 from Hauslane for your home today.